welcome to Tonic Studios. Yes, they're taking the Michael out of us at the minute. That's why we're laughing. Yeah,
always.
You can't do anything serious here at all no more. You can't. Right, so we are here to introduce you to some of our brand new dies. That's what we're supposed to be doing, but what we're really doing is having a laugh. Okay, so
How are you talking about, Jodie Johnson? Mrs. J.
How would you like some beautiful floral dies? I have to say, these are gorgeous. They really are. You know, I walked in upstairs and the first thing that hit me was a full shelf of cards made of these. And I said to Alison, do you know what? They are beautiful.
Yeah.
They really have made an impact. They are absolutely gorgeous. When you first look at them, you think, okay, they're a set of flower dies. But it's not until you see the prep that you think, oh my word, they're beautiful.
It's what you can do from them, isn't it?
Absolutely is. They are gorgeous. So you've got 4 different ones in here. So you have got that beautiful daisy. Oh.
Over you come.
Hello. You've got that gorgeous cornflower design in there. It is gorgeous. It really is. Now, I have to say, I think that could quite easily be done in purple. I can't even think of the name of the flower now.
Oh, God.
And begins with an E. It's a herbal flower.
Echinacea.
That's the one.
Hey!
She's on the same wavelength.
If Karen wasn't in here, we'd have been in here all day.
Yeah.
Because there was no way I was getting it.
No, the best thing about these is they're in separate bits. Okay? So you've got those 4 individual dies in there that you can break down. Now I'm going to bring you a sample. Bring that one in.
Is it that one?
I adore this one.
This is lovely.
It's gorgeous. So rather than put them in a whole long strip, look how you can break them down.
Isn't it fab?
It's beautiful, and I love how that black really makes it a modern.
It makes it pop, doesn't it?
It's really, really pretty.
It really makes the colours
So you've
pop.
got 6 different dies in that collection. So that is the cornflower.
So of course it's not just those little elements. It's the outer edge as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
So you've got the outer edge on an extra layer as well.
Got a huge outside edge.
It's fabulous.
So you've got 2 in. You've got the outside edge in there, the large outer rim as well. Absolutely gorgeous. There
you go.
Yeah. So that is your cornflower. Your next one. I'm getting like my mother when I've told it.
Roses.
You've got your rose florals in there.
That is
beautiful,
lovely.
Beauty and the Beast sort of design. Absolutely gorgeous.
Well, you can see this one. We've got it just cut in with that, but you can see what you can do. So you can either cut it in.
Yes.
You leave it in the cardstock. You cut your outer edges around it. You know, it's just got so much that you can do with it.
I like the fact that the previous card was very mod.
Yes.
This is
but look
more
how
of a
classic that is.
It is.
And they're made by the same person.
Are they?
So yeah, they're both Jen.
Yeah, absolutely beautiful. Okay, so that's your roses. You've then got your poppies, and I have to say, this is lush.
I love poppies.
This is an absolute
I think he's coming to see us.
Gorgeous design. Yeah. So
Let me have a
there's
look.
one right at the top, the shaped
And we've
one.
got poppies that we've made out of. I'm going to put that one back down.
The outside edge. Now look how that outside edge. So you've got that lovely base plate in there. You've then got your extra dies in there to make that.
Isn't that lovely?
I think it's beautiful. There's something really, really classy about that one.
Mm-hmm.
Really gorgeous.
Very,
very
very
even
nice.
just one individual die cut on the front of a smaller card
Definitely.
would be beautiful in its
Definitely.
own right.
Yeah, we've got one here.
Love them.
Which again, it's been paper pieced and it's beautiful. Oh, we've got a little hello friend on the bottom there. Just a perfect card.
They're gorgeous. And then last but not least, you have got your daisy florals in there.
This one, is it?
It is.
Is it the one that... Oh, no, that was the first one.
That one there.
It's this one here.
Yeah. So, use them in,
love that.
horizontal, vertically, upside down, mix and match them. There is so many different ways to play with them, but they make such a clean card. A really, really clean, crisp looking card.
Beautiful.
They're absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah.
I have to say, my favourite has to be
That one.
with the outer black edge on.
Yeah.
I think the outer black edge really
Does
makes
just
them pop.
make it, makes it something else, doesn't it?
It really does. But then, like you say, you can actually put them into your card. So this is a mixture of both. So the top ones are the top ones
There you
are
go.
actually matted and layered, where the other one is actually cut into the cardstock. You can't really see that.
Beautiful.
on
Oh,
camera,
yes, you
but
could
it's cut in. Absolutely
just see the depth.
beautiful. And then that baby,
I love that one.
I do.
Look at that one. Oh,
There's something about
it's top
the
heavy.
edge in the black that makes these rather special. I mean,
Yeah.
even the blue poppies. Who would have thought of doing a blue poppy?
But how lovely is that?
But that works absolutely amazingly well, doesn't it? I know, not being funny. It's nice to get back to some cards.
It's so lovely to do a card, but this takes the thinking out of it because it's got that whole. I mean, this looks like it's every single die cut. I think this one here. I think our Vicky's cut every single one.
But I like how the stem feeds up to the stem, feeds up to the top.
Yeah.
So going through those 3 individual die
Through the
sets, you
windows.
can see that on the poppies as well, how that stem continues all the way through them. They are beautiful. There's something really,
same with
really
the roses.
pretty.
It's like a split window, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like a
Something
split
really,
window
really pretty
effect.
about them. So join us on all our social media pages, from Instagram to Twitter to World Wide Web. And you can join us on there. You can join me, here at Tonic Studios. See you later.